Want to sell teacher resources on Etsy and actually rank in the USA marketplace? In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT and Canva to create digital downloads that teachers love and how to list them for maximum visibility in the USA. Start with ChatGPT to brainstorm resource ideas. Ask it, give me 10 printable classroom activities for middle school math in the USA. ChatGPT instantly generates content ideas you can adapt into worksheets, planners, or lesson guides tailored for teachers. Next, head to Canva. Choose a template for worksheets, planners, or flashcards. Customize fonts, colors, and layouts to make your resource visually appealing. Canva makes it drag and drop simple, no design degree required, and perfect for USA educators. Export your design as a PDF or PNG. These formats are ideal for Etsy digital downloads. Make sure your files are high quality and easy for teachers in the USA to print or use digitally. Finally, list your product on Etsy. Use USA-optimized keywords like Teacher Printable USA or Classroom Resources USA. Add an engaging description, clear preview images, and set a competitive price. Teachers across the USA are searching for ready-to-use resources.